How does augmented reality is used for maintenance and training purpose? This technology increase your operational efficiency as well as reduce your time to repair the machine.
Augmented reality brings instructions out of the paper manual and directly onto real equipment. Like an instructor standing right next to the equipment, the app highlights the exact bolt to unscrew or place to pry with a screwdriver to avoid damage. Augmented reality eliminates any confusion between the manual and the real equipment. New personnel can quickly learn maintenance procedures correctly the first time. Step-by-step walkthroughs show procedures both with augmented reality overlays and full 3D models that can be rotated to view from any angle. The 3D model walkthroughs can also be used off-site for later review. The walkthrough procedures provide guidance for the most common installation and maintenance needs of your pump. On through-stream pumps, this includes complete disassembly to replace bearings or reverse the pump rotation. For initial installation or later repairs, the motor alignment guide illustrates how to correctly couple the motor and pump shafts, using shims if necessary to hone alignment. On DB and KPD model pumps, a full disassembly walkthrough illustrates the steps needed to replace the bearings or impeller.